Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to upload high quality video status on WhatsApp. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. First thing to do is to go to your WhatsApp, then go to updates and tap on these three dots right here, then tap on settings, then go down and click on storage and data and make sure that this option right here is turned off. Tap on this option right here and choose photos, audio, videos and documents. Check them all, then click on OK. Then go to the second option and do the same thing. The third option, just check on videos and click on OK. Then go back and open your Play Store and make sure that your app is updated. As you can see here, I am not having the latest update, so I'm gonna update it right now. After updating, we can open the application, then go back to updates, and now I can choose a video from my gallery. Let's just say we are going to put this video, and here you can set any high quality videos to your WhatsApp status. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful to you all, and see you in another tutorials.